Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Nazali Vlog and Recipes. Today I'm going to take you along on a little journey, a day in my life, how my day begins, what I do throughout. I will be sharing it all with you. So let's get started. My alarm rings at 4 a.m. It's a little tough to wake up that early, but once I freshen up, the energy kicks in. I start my day with a glass of water with lemon, along with overnight soaked chia seed. My healthy morning kickstart. After that, I offer Tahajjud prayer, read a bit of Quran, and then Fajr prayer. This is a part of my daily routine, which I will share with you before. Then I head to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. Today I'm making a simple macaroni recipe using just onion and tomatoes. Let's make it together. First, I boil the macaroni with a little oil, salt, and turmeric powder. After 10 minutes, it's ready. I strained it and kept it aside. In a pan, I added some sunflower oil, green chili, and finally chopped onions. Once the onions turned translucent, I added salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and fried for 2 minutes. Next, I added 2 medium chopped tomatoes, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, half teaspoon of chicken masala powder, and 2 teaspoons of noodle masala. Cover and cook until soft. Then I added 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi for flavor. After that, I mixed in half cup boiled green peas and fresh coriander leaves. Finally, I added the boiled macaroni and mix everything well. And that's it, our quick and delicious breakfast macaroni is ready. After breakfast, I quickly finished my household chores, sweeping, mopping, and laundry. Later, I went back to the kitchen. Today, I made one of Mumbai's famous dishes, dahi kadhi. It's my mom's recipe, and we all love it at home. I will share the full recipe with you in another vlog, inshallah. We had to get ready quickly because my sister was leaving for Saudi Arabia to join her husband. We dropped her at the airport, but I couldn't show her face on camera, so I just shared the journey till the airport. On the way back, we stopped by the beach for some time. I carry a change of clothes for the kids so they could enjoy freely. We had some snacks like sweet corn, charmuri, and potato twisters. The kids also enjoy a few fun rides. After spending a relaxing time, we finally headed home. I hope you enjoy this vlog, a day in my life. If you like it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Nazali Vlog and Recipes. I will see you soon with another video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.